Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 22nd June 2021. Here this is the problem, brackets pattern. The program must accept a string value which contains some bracket and a integer in between them. We just have to print the pattern like this. First we have to print the pair of brackets, then pair, then couple, and then 1 2 3. Those brackets are inside, like here this is a one bracket set, and this is a second pair, this is a third pair, this is fourth line, so we have to print 4 pairs, 3 pairs, 2 pair, and a single pair. Likewise we have to do that same operation for all the brackets. That's it guys, that's it all about the logical part. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here I'm getting the value string input dot strip. So if I get this value, the bracket should always be first and the last index, right? In between there should be n number of integer or n digit of integer, which is nothing but 9 9 9 999 49, like that. So to get the integer part separately, we need a variable number, which is nothing but the typecasted value of s of 1 and -1, string number, and then we have to do the pattern, right? For that I'm going to create a list which contains all the pattern equal to empty list. Inside this empty list we should get the pairs or open and close, open pair and close pair. Open pair and close pair should contain the string 0th index and the string last index. So initially the pattern should contains open pair plus close pair. After that all we just do is operation of n times. For that we need a loop, right? For I in range of number, inside this loop we have to update the pattern dot append of pattern of -1, which is nothing but the last pattern. That should be contain the additional open pair and close pair plus which is nothing but initially we have just initialized the list with this pairs, and for the second line we just need the same pair with additional open and close. Then this will be updated as the into the list at the last index. So the last element of the list will be like this, and this value is taken, and the list will be updated as additional open pair, then the value, then the close pair. So we got the third pattern, right? All we just need to do is just print the pairs or just print the pattern in a reverse order, because we need the we have the list like this, but we need a list like this, right? For that I'm just reversing the value, and those values should be separated by null space, which is nothing but a no space. That's it, guys. Here I'm passing 5. We got yes is not defined because I have never defined a value. Yes, this should be string, and I'm passing the same input. Now we got pattern. This should be pat and pattern. Yeah, we got single pair, double pair, triple pair, 4 pair, 5 pair, 4, 3, 2 and 1. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.